So hi everyone. Today we have to do a pour over coffee testing. So my name is Gaurav and we have doing a pour over coffee testing. So that's I'm taking a India Estate blend coffee. So we have to grind it for India Estate extra fine grind size, and we have to do it with a pour over side. So pour over has Starbucks has a different brewing method, and each brewing method you have to get a different expression of coffee. And we have a Cypher, Chemex, pour over, and French press. We have a total 4 coffee brewing methods. So let's start today's coffee testing. So first we have to set the pour over with the filter paper. So I just introduced the pour over session. This is a ceramic bowl. This is a filter paper. This is a coffee collector. This is very important gooseneck kettle. It's a hero. It's coffee. You can see. You can smell the coffee. I have to take a extra fine size with the freshly grind coffee. Wow, it's really amazing. So first we have to create a filter paper. So first we have to take little bit of water to prevent a filter paper. Slowly we have to cover all edges which will be properly wet. Why? Because our coffee will be perfectly brewed after this. So, hi ma'am, which is your favorite coffee in Starbucks?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Wow. First time I am also trying the cappuccino only. But usually I just love the black coffee, and today I am taking the India Estate blend, which is my personal favorite coffee. We have to waste that water. Again we have to take this set, and we have to add this freshly ground water. So why we preheat the filter paper? Because of our ceramic bowl was on a temperature, got a perfect temperature. Also, our filter paper should be wet properly. This water we can take, it's 90 to 96 degrees Celsius. Again, we have to take a short size hot water. Okay. And we have to gentle tap from this pour over. Why? Because of coffee will be properly set on this ground, then we have to get a perfect extraction of the coffee. So let's start a pouring. So ma'am, do you know how coffee comes in India? Yes ma'am?
No, I don't know.
Okay. So I can share an interesting story. Coffee come to India. So the Sufi son बाबा बुदा वो अपने हज यात्रा के लिए मक्का मदीना गए थे, और बैक टू आते समय वो यमन में रुके थे, मुस्लिम कंट्री है, और वहाँ पे वो कॉफ़ी मतलब वहाँ पे ना उसको कावा बोला जाता था उस टाइम पे, एंड देन वो कावा पीने के लिए रुके, एंड देन ही रियलाइज कि ये ना कुछ अलग यूनिक कॉफ़ी है, कुछ यूनिक थिंग है कि उसका जो टेस्ट है काफ़ी अच्छा है, और यू हैव टू गेट सोना नहीं देगा. सो वो टाइम पे वो लोग ना भगवान की प्रेयर करते थे. सो काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से हो सकती है अगर ये हमारे पास भी रहेंगे तो. सो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने कॉफ़ी स्मगल की. He take the 7 beans to Bihar, and वो ना कर्नाटका के गगनगिरी जो हिल है वहाँ पे लेके आके उन्होंने प्लांटेशन किया और हार्वेस्टिंग करना चालू किया. एंड 1870 में उन्होंने प्लांटेशन किया वहाँ पे, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट इंडिया गेट द कॉफ़ी. एंड उसके बाद आपको पता है क्या हुआ, वो जो गगन हिल है ना उसको बुदानगिरी हिल, बाबा बुदानगिरी हिल करके पहचानने लगे. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. आई एम पर्सनली वेरी मोटिवेटिंग विद दिस स्टोरी. किसी आदमी के नाम पे किसी हिल का नाम रखा, एंड सो आफ्टर दैट is comes from harvesting in India. So Karnataka. So today I'm taking India's student. ये कॉफी भी कर्नाटका से ही आती है और कर्नाटका की 4 अलग-अलग स्टेट से आती है, which is Coorg, Chikmagalur, Munnar and Kusharnagar. So if you see, our coffee will be perfectly brewed. So if you see, the dripping was starting. Once the coffee is perfect, then we have to remove this apple chipper. You can smell the aroma. So this symptoms the coffee is perfectly brewed. Okay, first you have to take this, and if you see there is some water. So first you have to rinse your palate. Why we rinse the palate? Because जो previously किया है या कुछ भी खाया है उसका टेस्ट हमारे palate में रहता है, so वो निकल जाए और हमें perfectly coffee enjoy करें. इसके लिए cheers.
Yes.
So हमारे जो कॉफी रोस्टर्स रहते हैं वो 15 टाइम्स कॉफी टेस्ट करते हैं, एंड आई एम टेस्ट टू 16 टाइम्स. इट्स परफेक्टली ब्रूड. It's perfectly brewed. So Starbucks में we have top 3% of Arabica coffee, और if you see we have a different don't slurp it. We have something different flavor notes. Okay, so we have in blonde, medium and dark roast available. So coffee testing के कुछ steps रहते हैं, वो steps follow करके हमें coffee testing करनी है. आपने कभी wine test किया? Wine test?
No, no.
Okay, so wine testings के भी अलग-अलग steps रहते हैं. So coffee testings के भी अलग-अलग steps रहते हैं. First we have to take a smell, then we have slurp, then locate and then describe. So first we have to cover this cup like 3 finger and smell it. Wow, I get some of chocolate flavor notes and a little bit of herbs as well. Amazing. So let's slurp it. So while 3, 2, 1, we have to slurp it. 3, 2, 1. It has get exact taste of chocolate in my mouth. So just love with this coffee. Every time I just make this coffee, I can get something new and innovative flavor, which is I deeply love with this India Estate blend.